Culture shock, like different. What I have observed that the culture shock here in the Kuwait is the way they pray, right? And then the way they eat, like eating like in the Quran, like a supra. And then like what else? Lifestyle, wearing abaya, right? It's depends. Hi guys, this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog, and actually guys, this is first time that I will gonna do interview in the public place. Our Pina here in the Kuwait City. Let's start it. Hey, what is your name, Te? Where are you from? Okay. I live in Taytay, Manila, Rizal. And by the way, how are you, Te? How are you today? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm good. What about your age? By the way, how about your love life?
My love life is 100%. I'm happy.
Happy. And then single or married?
Yeah, I'm single.
Do you have husband or?
Before, I have husband before.
And how, by the way, do you have a baby?
I have baby, two daughter.
Love it. What is the difference between the Kuwait and the Philippines?
So many different Philippines and here Kuwait, because Philippines only Kuwait is
work.
Too much work,
and then you don't want to go home in the Philippines. You want to stay here in the Kuwait.
I come here because I need
because
work.
Of the higher salary.
High salary, and in the Philippines I have no money because I have
especially the culture, right?
I buy my needs here.
Buy your how many children? Living in the Kuwait, what did you like here in the Kuwait? While you're living in Kuwait, what did you like here in Kuwait rather than in the Philippines?
I like here in Kuwait because I provide my needs. I buy my all I want. In the Philippines, I can't buy because I have no work.
Thank you for your great answer, Tiha, but it's not here in Kuwait. When you arrive here in Kuwait, what is your best impression?
My best impression, nothing.
Nothing, just
I don't know what happened here.
Yes, we need to adopt because another culture or another like another.
Yeah, Let's kill.
Nervous guys to adopt another. Next question. What is the culture shock like? Especially the way mosques. Culture shock, like different in the Philippines.
No culture shock because I know Philippines not similar in Kuwait. Kuwait have like prayer
in the mosque. What I have observed that the culture shock here in the Kuwait is the way they pray, right? And then the way they eat, like eating like in the Quran, like a supra. And then like what else? Lifestyle, wearing abaya, right? It's depend, guys. It's depend if Kuwait, original Kuwait is we need to wear abaya or same like that. But in the today and also in the lifestyle different rather than in the Philippines. Can you say about the foreigner rather than Filipino when you, because you've been experienced that you're gonna marry Filipino, right? What did you experience boyfriend foreigner or not? Did you experience before or not? If you have chance to have a foreigner or willing to interest in you, what is your decision? You want to mingle or foreigner?
Foreigner,
if you have chance.
If I have a chance, I need foreigner to come.
Maybe that's for today's video, guys, and I'm so really thankful and grateful to having this kind of content. And by the way, Te, what is your name? I forgot. Guys, thank you guys, and I'm so grateful that Ati is having they are willing to accept if you have a foreigner or willing to marry, they are already willing to accept. Maybe guys, and that's for today's video, and thank you Ati for having me here, or you give me time to interview about your life.
Thank you.
And thank you so much guys, and maybe that's for today's video. Bye.
Because I have